Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last video I have shown you how to create a simple login form with the help of your Visual Basic Windows Form application. So for example, when I enter some random password which is not correct, it shows me password is not correct. But when I enter the correct password, second form opens and the first form disappears, right? And in this video, because in the last video I haven't shown you how to protect passwords. So for example, when you enter some password here, the other guys or other people can see your password, which is not good in real life situations. You want to hide your password from the others, right? And you want to show something like stars or something like dollar sign instead of your real password. So I will show you how to simply achieve this password protection with your Visual Basic. What you need to do is you just need to simply select your text box and go to the properties, and just you will be able to see here password char. So you can define a password char here. For example, I will define a password char which is asterisk, and now when I run the program and when I enter some number here, it is coming as at asterisk, right? And when I enter some wrong password, it still says me password is not correct. And when I enter a real password, it opens the second form. But the advantage is my password is protected and nobody apart from me can see the password, right? And you can change this character according to your wish. For example, you want to change this character as dollar sign, and now when you run the program, it will give you dollar sign instead of asterisk. So you can just select password card according to your convenience and protect your password from other users. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.